Alright, it's rolling.
Okay, so, hey guys, it's me, YouTube. I'm getting chased by a bird today, so it'll be fun. Already started. Matt, you fool. Walk. That's like where it takes off from. Balk! I speak bird. See you. Wah!
Get close to its nest if you want it to chase you.
Yeah, I gotta start running more. I'm gonna do this more.
Probably shouldn't torment birds.
Your nest is in there. Get a basketball. You someone give me a basketball and try to get hurt.
If you do a basketball, it's gonna kill its eggs.
Boom. Kick it. I see so many birds. Let's go. Matty. Screw you. Kicking your nest technically. Yes, still there. It's in that tree. In that tree. Aerial attack! Missed me again! Come at me again. Hit by a rock. That's still my shoe. Well, you get your little double team thing on there? I will hit you with a rock next time. You don't throw that far, right? Or not. It's all good too. Let's try another one. Whoa. Up in the tree. Scared me. Don't try this at home, kids.
Going to be the most boring video ever posted.
Most boring video ever posted. So what? I don't care. Oh, I'm scared.
There is my mother. I have to go home.
So, tell Sam to come over.
Yeah!